All right, so today we're going to learn how to install and activate a new plugins and how we can customize our website and add some information about it. But initially, we are supposed to have our so this is our home that we have our color and other stuff. So now we are going to learn how we can add a new pro. So on our dashboard, but we want to first go and check whether we have the widgets in there. So we just go to appearance, we go to widgets. So we should make sure that we don't have um we don't have this thing here. There is no other item on the sidebar at this point. So we are going to delete everything: the page sidebar, the third column sidebar, the footer. This one we are going to remove everything here from now. So make sure we delete everything here. Now this is what we are going to have. Now we just go to the dashboard of our website. So now let's our website. So we are going to the dashboard. Then we can learn how we can add a new plugin to the website. So we just go to plugins, then we click on all the plugins that is there. So you have a list of plugins. So we just go to add new. So we just go to add new. So when you are done with that, you just go to add new plugin. This is what we have. So this is a search option. So we are going to search for our first plugin called Elementor. So we just go to Elementor. Go to Elementor. So we just go to install now. Okay, so we are finished installing Elementor. We can come back again and delete this one. Then we want to add another plugin called real time. So we type real time. So when we type real time, we see this thing, real time find and replace. We just click install now. So when it is installed, and then we come to this side. So now we just go to smart. The third one is smart slider. So we just type smart slider. So so this is how the smart slider tool works. So we just go to install now. So wait for it to install. Make sure you have a good internet connectivity that you can use. So after installation, you can just click on activate. So you just click on activate. So like you see plugin activated. So when you want to activate Elementor 2, you just come and click activate this side. Then Elementor 2 will be activated. Now we can come and activate real time. So we just come and activate real time. Then we are done. So this side, we see the Elementor here as a plugin activated. We see the smart slider will help us to put pictures, which will be sliding. The pictures on the website will be sliding. And we can see the real time. This will help us, whereby we can come and remove this charity WordPress here. Then put our own name and foundation name here. Copyright 2020 by Fifi Mensa Foundation, blah blah blah. So that's what we are going to do. So there is a portion that we can add our plugin. After that, you just go to the dashboard. Then meaning that we've been able to add our plugins. Now, after that, let's try to go to our appearance and customize and learn something new there. So we just click on appearance, we just go to customize. Now this is our website now. There is no logo. So we are going to add a top where we can put our Facebook links and other stuff there. So here is the case. I've gotten my customize. Where do I go? So I go to theme settings. Then I go to top bar settings, the top bar section. So I click here. This is what I'm going to see. Then I just click show or hide. So I just make sure this one is ticked. I just go to sticky header too. So now you see I'm seeing something new here, a yellow top bar here. So now if you don't have YouTube link, I'll put there will be a YouTube. So you just put your YouTube link here. So let's say my YouTube link is, let me go back to my website again. So this is my Facebook link. So I copy my Facebook link and put it here. So the YouTube link that I'm going to use will be for our videos for Penta IT. So I come here, then I just put the YouTube link here. Then I can come and add my Twitter link too. So if I don't have, I just put hash here. If I don't have, I put hash here. If I don't have, I put hash here. So the hash means that there's a link. Then you can, so we are going to add our phone number. So I add my phone number 233-542-784-867. And then I can come and add time. So maybe my it can be my address or not. So I can just add PO box. Or let's see. So they are asking time. So okay, working. So working hours. So 24/7. So and our email is info@fififoundation.org. So you can choose to add your own email address, and after that, when you are done, you just go to publish. So you just wait and load it in to see if our website is published. So it is going to load. So now I have my information, so I just go to publish. Then it is published. When it's published, now I can see my destiny. So I just go back to this side and go to the theme color option. Now I want to change my theme to, let's say, blue, or this color. This is the color that I want to change my theme to. So I just come and choose a color that I want. Then I just also go to publish. So when I'm done, I just close this side. Now send it to me. So you see that I already have, so I have to refresh. Then it just reloads my page. So now I have all these things here working like this for me. Thank you.